As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovations in the dating world. Video dating. Video dating has become increasingly popular in recent years. This technology allows users to have virtual dates through video calls. Video dating apps provide a safe and convenient way for users to get to know each other before meeting in person. This can be particularly helpful for people who are in long-distance relationships or unable to meet in person due to other constraints. Compatibility testing. Many dating apps now use compatibility testing to help users find potential matches who are more likely to be compatible with them. Compatibility testing involves analyzing user data, such as personality traits, interests, and values, to suggest potential matches that have a higher likelihood of success. This technology can save users time and energy by only suggesting matches that are likely to be a good fit. Biometric sensors. Biometric sensors are another technology that is being used in the dating world. These sensors can measure physiological responses, such as heart rate and skin conductance, to determine a user's level of attraction to another person. This technology can help users identify potential matches who they are physically attracted to, which can be an important factor in a successful relationship. Blockchain. Blockchain technology is being used in the dating world to provide a more secure and transparent platform for users. Blockchain can be used to store user data securely and prevent fraud and hacking. This technology can also be used to verify user identities and ensure that users are who they claim to be. Conclusion. In conclusion, technology has transformed the way people find love. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, there are many new applications that are making the process of finding a partner more efficient, convenient, and secure. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovations in the dating world that will make it easier for people to find their perfect match. Gamification. Gamification is a technique that is being used in some dating apps to make the process of finding a partner more fun and engaging. Users can earn points or rewards for completing certain activities, such as filling out their profile or messaging other users. This can make the process of finding a partner more enjoyable and motivating for users. Machine learning. Machine learning is a technology that is being used in the dating world to provide more accurate and personalized matches. Machine learning algorithms can analyze user data, such as search history and behavior, to suggest matches that are more likely to be successful. This technology can also be used to identify patterns in user behavior and preferences to suggest potential matches. Voice recognition. Voice recognition technology is being used in some dating apps to provide a more personalized experience for users.